start of the week, whenever you're watching this. I am in bed, I am going to watch a movie or just watch some Netflix because I just need to take my mind off of things, and I thought I should just document this because I feel like these vlogs are just so authentic and I just want them to stay like that. I haven't been really having the best weeks recently, so yep. But I'm just slowly trying to take it step by step and just day by day, you know, keep going and just motivate myself, do things that I enjoy, and take time for myself, etc. It has been really easy with this period especially, and just like figuring things out, and also with COVID and everything, it just doesn't make it any easier, and I feel like we're just all in the same situation. It's just not easy. I thought 2020, but 2021 is tough, but you know, it's not even the middle of the year. April is going by really fast, by the way. Anybody feeling the same, or it's just me? Anyway, so out here on a Monday, just thought I'd open up the vlog, start like that. Yeah, so if you feel like you're alone, and if you feel like you're, you know, also going through a rough patch, just know that you're not alone. I'm also going through it. We're all going through it, and just, you know, every day is a new day, new opportunities, a new mindset, and you know, just know that a bad day is only 24 hours. That is something to think about. Anyway, on another note, this week is going to be super sunny, so I'm really excited because that means spring outfits. But yeah, I'm going to watch a movie or just watch something on Netflix. I recently finished The Act, but that wasn't on Netflix. I know it's on Hulu, but I watched it somewhere else. I just have to say that it was wow, like that's all I have. I mean, the acting, amazing, and the storyline, what the fuck? Like, I don't even know I don't even know what to think or what to feel. So yeah, also I'm currently watching The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. Any Real Housewives fans? I know Retta, I know you're watching this, I know you'd be proud of me. So I truly am. I'm on the end of season 2. I'm loving this drama. I'm loving the juicy drama. We're here for that. And yeah, a lot of things are like coming out on Netflix, but it's hard to keep up with everything. I also really want to rewatch New Girl or rewatch Brooklyn Nine-Nine again, because I feel like I just need a happy show with everything going on. So, you know. Anyway, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna go. Anybody wondering what I'm wearing? This is my PJ choice. Anyway, peace out. Hello, good afternoon everybody. It is 1:52 here. I am currently finishing my lunch break. Productive morning. So far so good. It is hot here in Paris, which is really nice. It is 15 degrees, which means just like spring is officially like, you know, settling in, which makes me really happy. I can't go really outside because I'm working, but you know, the fact that it's sunny and it's starting to get warmer outside is really cool. So yeah, what else? Tonight I am having a call with a girl that's gonna help me write articles for a fun edition for the magazine. So that's what's gonna be happening. Just gonna try to do some stuff for Bon Sang today because, to be honest, I've been trying to organize myself to do everything, you know, in time and everything like that, and kind of just put some deadlines for myself, because I am doing this by myself and it's only me controlling everything. So, you know, I've been trying to do that, except that things haven't gone to plan, and like I said yesterday, my motivation has just like gone down because of a lot of things. So I've just been trying to do things, and it's not easy, but I'm, you know, being there. So anyway, I have a call, I'm excited. I'm also expecting some deliveries this week, which I will be creating content for soon. Also, I want to film a reel this week, reel like two reels or three. I've been really enjoying doing reels, and I feel like it's such a blessing for my Instagram and for my growth online and everything like that. So yeah, we love that. And yeah, that's it. Pretty much nothing else has been happening, you know, eating and showing you my window, and that's literally, that's the gloss. Oh my god. Whoops. I mean, a little note. My dear friend Carla has an online boutique that she just launched recently on Instagram. The name is La Glossière. I will put it on the screen right now and down below if you guys want to go check it out, and if you live in Europe. Okay, so she is doing like, she on lip glosses with essential oils, and she sent me 3 of them, and I got one also when she launched. So these are the shades. This one is 1937. It is a gorgeous nude. I'll do swatches later. This one is 1949. It is a gorgeous red. We love to see it. And this one is 2013, and it is a brown. I love the color, and I'm going to do some fun reels with these, and I have one in my bathroom actually, and it's like another red, which I love. It's great. Anyways, go check her out, go support her, go follow. And she gave me some candies, which I love. I'm gonna get back to working, but I will do some fun reels around these lip glosses, so I'll show you guys behind the scenes of that. I'm gonna film that probably like this weekend. It is 2 minutes. It is 8:50. We woke up a little bit late today. Well, not. I just had like a lay-in, so that's okay. You know, we do love a good lay-in on a Wednesday morning. Wednesday, we officially like named Wednesdays Bad Bitch Wednesday, and every Wednesday we just try to motivate each other. It's like our day, you know. And I did a cute little voice message because recently our motivation has been like just down the drain, and I thought, why not? So, you know what? To all the ladies, all the boys, anybody who needs this, you're iconic, you're brilliant, you're smart, you're intelligent, you're going to have a good day. It's going to be 24 iconic hours. You're going to be iconic, you're going to be successful, okay? Do not doubt yourself or your capabilities or whatever, okay? Because you are you and nobody else can do that, okay, sis? I know that's cheesy, but I don't care. Let's have a good day. Mwah. Anyway. Day today, and I look a bit different. I, as you saw, just did four different makeup looks for the lip glosses that I showed you, and I had so much fun. I didn't think I was gonna film all of them today, but I was just like, you know what, let's go, let's do it, because this weekend I'm gonna be very busy. So I don't really know if I'll have the time to film it, and I should post it like tomorrow or Saturday. So this is one of the makeup looks, and this is the shade 1949, I think. So yeah, I really like it. Like, just the side, it looks so good. And just this lip gloss is really cute, and I'm really proud of my friend. So if you guys want to go and check her Instagram out, check it out on my Instagram. Because I'll be there anyway. So I'm gonna edit the reel and also finish Real Housewives, because I'm at the reunion part and it's like the best. Do you guys watch Real Housewives? Retta got me into this show and I am hooked. Elle est belle la boîte. Attends, mais je... Oh, on est allé en plus là. Pâtes. Ça peut nous... Ah, on peut faire un petit poster. Ah, on peut mettre ça dans la cuisine. Ah. Oh. Et il y a tout ce qu'il y a dedans.
Bon, ok. Ma che bella!
Oh my god.
Oh my god! So first of all, we have this buttermilk, this crème glow. Then we
Il n'y a
have
pas paillot.
cœur de rocha.
C'est un parfum.
So cute!
Alors.
Ouais. Then we have...
Ah,
ça, tu l'as pas déjà?
Non. Mais non, mais ça c'est un truc pour le eyeshadow.
Oh, putain, c'est creamy.
Et
hein.
tu peux faire un eyeliner aussi. Enfin.
Non, pas
eyeliner.
Non, c'est trop liquide.
Ouais, non, mais.
Étiquette de bagage.
Waouh!
Andiamo.
Ouais,
Et la prochaine, c'est Ritual.
Ah oui! Oh my god!
Elle est trop belle la boîte.
Ouais. Franchement, le packaging, ils sont farniente au bout du nez. Waouh! A star! Ah, c'est mon peu là?
Ouais, aussi.
Oh my god.
T'as pris quoi toi?
Big Mac.
Toi, t'as... Alors mais attends, mais il faut regarder les drinks. Les gars, vous en avez 40.
C'est éclaté, genre.
Il a vu.
Ouais, alors ça, je sais pas. Là, je vais prendre une photo de ça parce que là, c'est pas possible.